Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to edit the audio for already uploaded videos on YouTube. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So for this, you have to go to your YouTube channel, select the video, and you can then go ahead. So I will select one already uploaded video which I have set to private. I will go to the editor over here in YouTube Studio. Now you can see there are multiple options, and we have already seen in our previous videos how you can trim or cut an already uploaded video, how you can blur certain parts out of an already uploaded video. And now we'll see how the audio function works. So when you click on the plus over here, you can see a pop-up will come wherein you can add tracks from all tracks, right? So this is basically YouTube audio library, and you can add any YouTube audio library track in your video. So how to add is basically you can navigate to from where the you have to want to add the track over here. So if I just go, so I will just listen to, right? So I will just for showcasing view add this audio track over here, and I can basically decide the length how I want, right? So you can hover this and you can place the audio track as you want, right? And you can play with this. There is so you can mix the level, how much volume level you want to have, whether you want to play it in the background, right? So that is something you can play with. You can add the track, you can adjust the volume, right? So if I want to add, right? Right. So this way you can add any track from the YouTube audio library and edit the audio. You can't change from the existing video or make any changes in that. You can add the audio track in the background. This way you can add any audio and update. The option of your library over here is basically any of the tracks. If you star them, this will appear over here, and you can then basically navigate just from your library and use it directly over here. So that's the way you can add or edit the audio in your already uploaded YouTube video. And once you click on save, it will showcase you that you are confirming the changes you want to do. Once you click on confirm changes, it will take some time. There is an attribution requirement because this is so you can click on done. You will have to add that in the video description for this video. And now it will edit the video. It will add the audio in the video track, right? So you can see over here it's showing 10 minutes left. It will get updated maybe sooner than that, but depending on the video length and the length of the audio track you are adding, the requisite time will be taken by the editor. So now this is done, and you can see audio has already been added to the video, right? So this is the way you can add audio. Do drop in any queries you have pertaining to this, and we'll get back to you with the solutions. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.